The title is The Cold Cold Face. Cold Cold Face. I went on a ship to a cold cold place. In the cold cold place, I saw an iceberg, a big white iceberg. In the cold cold In the cold cold place, I saw snow, lots and lots of snow. In the cold cold place, I saw an icicle, a long icicle. In the cold cold place, I saw a polar, a big white polar. In the cold cold place, I saw a whale, a big whale. In the cold cold place, I saw a seal, a gold wet seal. I like the cold cold place.
All right, let's start with our 2 stars and a wish about Wyatt. Jake's reading. Is that what good readers do, though? Remember what a good reader does. I took it off the wall. We have to know these things.
I like that you read fluently.
Ah, fluently, which means you must have practiced that book before.
No, when I first saw it, then I kept it in myself and reading, and I asked you if I could do it.
And you kept practicing, I can tell. That's what good readers... Sometimes you can read the same book over and over again. You do not have to change it every day. You can read the same book twice, and does that count on your Snuggle Up and Read? You bet. Did you read it twice? That's how you become a fluent reader, when you reread. It's all right with me if you take the same book twice. Read it twice. You'll become an expert fluent reader.
Even twice. At reading that book.
Pardon?
And you'll be an expert.
That's right. All right, let's see about another star.
Wait, we already did.
Oh, we did 2 stars? All right, fine. A wish?
Ryan, I wish next time could you read slower.
Oh, that's the first time we've had anyone say anything about reading slower. Just because you're fluent doesn't mean you should be super speedy, right? So we have to make sure it's a good speed, not too fast, not too slow, right? Just right. There's one more thing I want to ask. What kind of book was that? Pardon?
What kind of book was it?
Mm-hmm.
It was a non-wet. It was a non-fiction.
How do you know?
Because they have animals, and he took a picture of the ship.
Right. So real pictures usually are a clue. It could be a nonfiction book. What are some other features of nonfiction books? And I don't know if your book had it, so why don't we check the Venn diagram at the back? Everyone's eyeballs on the window. Where is the Venn diagram about fiction and nonfiction? What other things do nonfiction books have? And let's check his book. Rachel,
True things and facts.
did his book have true things and facts?
Yeah. They had a seal, a whale, whale, a polar bear, icicles, and a ship.
Okay. What else makes it a non-fiction book? Cynthia? Does your book have an index?
Index.
What's an index?
It's a table of contents.
Nope. Table of contents is different. A table of contents tells you on what page to find things at the beginning of the book. But an index tells you what to find subjects at the back of the book, so we would know where to turn. So it does not have either of those. And do you know why? Because that book, even though it's nonfiction, it's because of the level it is. So once we get to more letters closer to further along in the alphabet, that would be, we'd find some of the other things. What other things do nonfiction books have? Spencer?
They have they have headlines.
Headlines. Do we have any headlines? Headlines or headings? Headings, I think. Yeah, headings. Headlines would be in newspapers, which is nonfiction. We hope that the newspaper isn't telling us anything that's not true. Right?
The news is
Right.
in this king. I know how they took a picture of the ship by a drone. They have a tiny little GoPro or a camera underneath it and then fly it up and take a picture or a video. That's how we got a picture of our school in the office.
Absolutely. All right. I'm going to stop right there.